Advice. Let me give you some advice. Chance. Give me another chance. Choice. That's your choice, not mine. Effort. You need to put more effort into it. Experience. It was a great experience. Purpose. What's your purpose in life? Reason. That's the reason I left. Result. I'm happy with the result. Trust. I trust you completely. Truth. Tell me the truth. Promise. I promise I'll be there. Chance. Don't waste your chance. Plan. What's your plan for the weekend? Goal. My goal is to speak English fluently. Dream. Never give up on your dream. Decision. It was a difficult decision. Mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Idea. That's a brilliant idea. Thought. I just had a strange thought. Opinion. In my opinion, you're right. Advice. Take my advice and relax. Chance. You only get one chance. Fear. Don't let fear control you. Hope. I hope you're doing well. Wish. I wish I could go there. Feeling. I have a bad feeling about this. Mood. I'm not in the mood to talk. Excuse. That's just an excuse. Memory. That's my favorite memory. Belief. It's hard to change a belief. Habit. It's a bad habit, I know. Problem. That's not my problem. Solution. We need a better solution. Question. I have one more question. Answer. That's not the right answer. Way. There's always a way. Matter. What's the matter? Thing. It's the little things that matter. Stuff. I've got too much stuff. Place. This is my favorite place. Moment. I'll never forget this moment. Situation. It's a difficult situation. Reason. There's no reason to worry. Condition. I'm in good condition now. Fact. That's a fact, not an opinion. Point. You missed the main point. Change. People change over time. Chance. This is your last chance. Choice. We all have a choice. Decision. I made the right decision. Plan. The plan worked perfectly. Purpose. Everything happens for a purpose. Result. I'm proud of the result. Goal. Set your goals high. Promise. Don't break your promise. Hope. There's always hope. Fear. My biggest fear is failure. Belief. Strong belief changes everything. Habit. Reading is a great habit. Dream. My dream came true. Feeling. What a strange feeling. Thought. That thought makes me smile. Idea. I love your idea. Experience. This experience changed me. Memory. I have good memories from school. Chance. Don't lose your chance again. Effort. Make an effort, it's worth it. Trust. Trust takes time to build. Truth. The truth always comes out. Excuse. No more excuses. Problem. That's not my problem. Solution. Let's find a solution together. Question. That's a tough question. Answer. I didn't know the answer. Way. There's no easy way. Thing. That's the best thing ever. Matter. It doesn't matter anymore. Stuff. I need to pack my stuff. Place. This place feels like home. Moment. Enjoy the moment. Situation. The situation got worse. Reason. That's a good reason to smile. Condition. His condition is improving. Fact. It's a simple fact. Point. You have a point there. Change. Change is never easy. Chance. I didn't get a second chance. Choice. It's your choice, not mine. Decision. It's time to make a decision. Plan. Do you have a plan? Purpose. Find your purpose. Result. The result was surprising. Goal. My goal is clear. Promise. I can't promise anything. Hope. I still have hope. Fear. Face your fears. Belief. Never lose your belief. Habit. Change your habits, change your life. Dream. Chase your dreams. Feeling. Trust your feelings.